Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amusement here, and basically what this is a glass rose that lights up. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, there is a box inside. So let's take out the box first. So when we take out the box, this actually looks like inside. So let's open up the box first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So they probably got this very nice little envelope. They definitely write like a note inside, which is perfect if you guys want to get it as a gift. And then right underneath that, we do have the actual product, and it's all well protected. So let's take it out first. Alright, so definitely see the product is all nicely wrapped up right here. Let's take it out and take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like here. If you can see the flower on here, definitely looks pretty nice. And throughout the product on the side, they do have like the LED light strips as well that lights up. Once you guys press the button on the front right here, but in order for you guys to actually use the product, you do need to actually put in batteries in the bottom. So if you guys open up, you do need to use 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. So I'm actually go get the batteries first and put it inside. Alright, so we got the batteries in. Let's close it back up. So now that we got the batteries in, let's turn it on. So if I press the button one time, that turns on the power right here. If you see the color on here, definitely looks pretty nice. And for the power right here, it actually has 4 different light modes on here. So this is mode number 1. Mode number 2, mode number 3, and mode number 4. If you guys press it again, it goes back to mode number 1. And if you guys want to turn it off, you basically want to press and hold the button, and that turns it off. So you see, when I actually activate the product on here, it definitely works really well. It actually looks really cool. Definitely, if you guys use it in a darker setting, it looks a lot cooler. And also, if you guys notice on the product right here, for the outer layer, they do use real glass. So you definitely want to take care of it when you guys actually hold it, because if you guys do drop it in the floor, it will break since it is real glass. But definitely the overall product is actually really cool. So if you guys want to get this as a gift, to give it to your friends or family member, you can definitely give it to whoever you guys want to. But definitely the overall design of the product definitely looks really cool and really nice as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to get this during like the holiday season, whether it be like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, or whatever. Definitely getting one of these for a special occasion is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.